Guys, so we continue with the follow-up on the restoring or the recovery of my hacked YouTube channel. All right. So after I was instructed by someone from, the Google community, after I posted on the what do you call it, the Google Community Help Center, all right, that okay, this person directed me that I should, post the issue on what? Uh, on X, all right, previously known as what do you call it, Twitter, all right, which I did, and then I directed my tweet to what, on X, to YouTube, Team YouTube, all right, as you can see, and so the hacking happened on the 22nd. The same 22nd, I followed up. I posted on um what do you call it, on the YouTube Community Help Center, as I said. If you just Google YouTube Community Help, you should supposed to see this, all right. And then besides, I've previously discussed this in details, all right. So, but after I did that, I was instructed to come and post on Twitter, all right. So basically, if I had known, I was not obliged to post on the Community Help Center. I could have just come straight to post on Twitter and direct it to YouTube straight. But it was also important that I pass through that procedure because uh, posting, first of all, on the YouTube community or the Google Community Help Center meant that I informed YouTube about it, either directly or indirectly. And they could try to, so they took action the same day, right? The same 22nd that I posted after my channel. I detected that my channel was hacked on the 22nd. After I posted, they detected it. So they detected my post on the community health, and straight somebody responded and asked me to post it on Twitter as I've done, indicating my channel URL and ID, which I did. And then on the same day, I got a reply, Team YouTube actually apologizing on X, otherwise known as Twitter, for what happened to me. And then they said, what did they say? They said the next step, okay, was going to be what? Was that I was going to get some information. They were going to get some information from me, all right, uh, all right, that they were going to share with um, the team in charge of restoring accounts. So to do this, I had to follow them so that they could text me. And I actually was, I was just desperate. I forgot to actually follow Team YouTube. I'm so sorry about that. I was following YouTube and many other pages, but I did not know that like Team YouTube was a separate page, right? So I just followed Team YouTube, and then I just said like, hi, thank you so much for your reply and your support. I really appreciate it. Of course, I'm following you, and uh, now I'm following you now, and you could DM me, for the next steps to recover my channel, right? And after I did that, you know, I just got today. So that was on the 22nd. On the 23rd, I got a reply that you know what I should. Um, I got a reply, on the 23rd, again on Twitter, or otherwise known as X, from Team YouTube, that they were sending me, a DM shortly. All right. So I checked and I received a DM, and then uh, this is the DM. I'll show you what the DM was. All right. So if I come to my messages, how do I even? I'm not used to X, by the way. Uh, how do I? Okay, messages. All right. So they told me what I should actually, you know, they asked me, whether I could provide, they said whether I could provide a Gmail or a G Suite email, all right, address that uh, I currently have access to. All right. So I did, and the purpose of that was for them to actually what connect me with the specialist team, you know. So I did that, and right after that, uh, I just submitted my other email account, right? And after I submitted that email account, YouTube, so I got a second message that I now have access to the recovery form. Okay, so the purpose was for me to fill a recovery form, and it's through the recovery form that I'll now get in touch with the specialist team who will be in charge of restoring uh my account. So, and they will provide a link. So this is a link that they provided, right? On which, but before you click on the link, you actually make sure that you have logged in, you know, into the Gmail account that you have provided. So I provided this Gmail account, which is a separate, this is not a Gmail account associated with my YouTube channel, because my YouTube channel has been hacked and the email has been hacked, right? So I no longer have access to the email associated with my YouTube channel, but they asked for another email address, and then I provided another, preferably a Gmail account, all right? So you could even create a new Gmail account and submit it. So I did that, and then they now gave me access to the reporting, the channel hack reporting form, and that's what I've now done. You see, so as soon as you make sure you go to google.com, you log in with the Gmail account that you have provided on X or Twitter for that matter, and then you make sure that you log in, and as soon as you log in, you go to the link that they have provided. You see, so they have granted me access to this particular Google, the reporting form, and now you just click on the link, and when you click on the link, it will bring you to what the report, you know, this form. Okay, report a suspected channel hack, and basically on this form, you are going to provide some information. All right, I don't want to show all my personal details here, so I have to be careful. I have to protect my confidential information. So the form, basically, I will tell you all that I've filled. I do not want to show you everything on the form, but basically the form is about what? Uh, your details, right? Or should I say the details about your channel and any unusual activity, all right? So this includes, for instance, your channel ID, your channel handle. So you need to know these upfront, all right? And you also have to indicate the primary email address in associated with your YouTube channel, you know, and the contact email address. So preferably you give the same email address that you submitted when you were requesting for the account recovery, right? The email address that they use to grant me access to this form. So the same email address what I've submitted, and that is it. So, and many other details such as you know so like your IP address, how you describe briefly how it all happened, under what circumstances, if you were contacted by any person, suspected phishing emails, you indicate all of that, and whether you are the, the the content owner, okay, and with which email address you have access to the content. Is it the same email address associated with your YouTube account that has been hacked? You just fill all these details, and once you are done, you just click on what? Submit. So let's see. All right. So when I clicked on submit, let's see what they are saying. They are saying what? Your email has been sent, right? So, and they are saying thank you for reporting a potential account hijacking to us. It's important to follow the below steps to uh to secure your YouTube channel, all right, and and Google account, all right. Step one. So they are providing you some steps, all right. So step one, they are saying what you lost your access to it. Change your password, which is in my case, right? So it's not about password recovery here because the hacker actually took everything. The hacker took all the recovery, my phone number, my recovery emails, everything that was associated with it were taken. Even my fingerprint that I often use to log in on my computer, everything were deleted. See? And then what are they saying again? Uh, okay, remove any unrecognized delegates of your channel, like channel permissions and brand accounts and those kind of things. Now, revert any changes from suspicious activities and whatever. Okay, so there's what are they saying? They're saying finally that we should note if you are submitting this form in English, whatever, Spanish or Korean on Friday, you can get weekend report. Sorry, yeah, weekend support. I said report. Sorry. For other languages, an update will be shared on the following Monday. All right. Anyway, so me, I've just submitted a form and everything is done. I just have to wait. So for the next steps, so if we come back to the tweet, okay, from YouTube or their message on X or Twitter for that matter, they are saying what? Now, you can now access this form, the recovery form, which is what I've just filled, all right? And they are saying that log in to the specified account, following the link and out within fill it out within, they're saying in the next 72 hours, okay? Support specialists will contact you within one business day, right? So within one business day, support specialists are going to contact me again after filling this form, right? So basically, I'm waiting for the next step. So they'll contact me and hopefully they will restore my channel. They may ask me to do other things, and I'll just keep in touch with them and I'll keep you posted. Once my channel, everything is done and I've gotten back my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Up to this. Thank you so much for following up to this point. I will continue sharing the story with you.